Hey you guys, welcome back to another video. My name is Jasmine, and as you can see, we're bald. And that's because we are installing another Love Me unit today. Y'all know, it's in the name. I love me some Love Me hair. Y'all, their hair is so good. The lace is always like super clear and visible. The hair is always so silky and nice quality, and the construction of the caps are always on point. This is a 22-inch 13x4 lace unit. All of the other details will be linked down below for you guys if you do want like the specific deets on this hair, density and all that type of stuff. And of course, we already plucked and bleached the knots. Get into the hairline. Get into the hairline. It's giving scalp. It's giving growing from my head, baby. I kind of did that with the plucking, okay? It low-key already came pretty scalpy, but you know, I just had to add my little razzle dazzle to it. So as you can see, we are just taking a hot comb and I'm just pressing out the top because obviously when I washed this wig, I just kind of like threw it on a table to dry and it just kind of created those little humps in the top of the wig, but those came out very easily, as you can see. And then now we're just taking a wax stick, and this is really where the magic happens. So I'm really, you know, getting in there with that hot comb, making this wig look very flat. We want the flat installs, okay? And then after I finished hot combing the top of my head, I just took some scissors and a eyebrow razor and cut the lace off camera. I just did that just because it is a 13x4, so obviously there's much more lace, and I didn't want to mess it up, y'all. This is a very nice wig, so I was like, I don't want to mess it up on camera, so I just did it off really quickly. But as y'all can see, I'm now applying some heat protectant to this hair because, like I said, this hair is super soft, silky, and I want to keep it that way. So we don't want to like put too much heat on it, and you know, heat damage is heat damage, you know? So I'm trying to keep it nice and healthy as possible. I do want to touch on though that I'm not going to add any glue to this unit. In case y'all haven't already noticed, I literally just cut the lace and that was that. Because you really don't need glue for these units because of that elastic band attached to the caps of the wig. Those elastic bands really secure the wigs down. I mean, if you want to apply glue, you always can for that extra sense of security. I know I do sometimes if I know I'm gonna be wearing it all day or all night, or might be doing something a little bit more like, I don't know, a little bit more action-y, you know the vibes? You know, I might want to apply some glue, but I personally feel very comfortable without glue as well in these units just because they do feel really secure. And as you can see, I already started crimping my hair because even though this unit is a straight wig, like in its actual name, once I washed the unit, I found that it did kind of have like a slight little wave to it. So I was like, I'm gonna play off of that. I kind of want like mermaid beach waves. So crimping the hair it was. And then after I finished crimping the hair, I just ran my fingers through it so we can get like very like effortless, like pretty beachy waves. And y'all, I absolutely loved how this wig came out. Like I said, I didn't apply any glue whatsoever, and it's still looking like it's growing from my scalp. It's gorgeous. Like, I love this unit so much. It was super long. I wanted to stand up and just show you guys like how long it really was. Like I said, 22 inches. The shine, the body, the luster of this hair, it's everything. Y'all definitely need to go check this unit out. You can also use my code JAZMINEK to get money off shopping anything on LUVMEHair.com. I love you guys so much. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.